Okay guys, here's the startup of this Bryant Preferred air conditioner. It's got a broad ocean fan motor, and I don't know what compressor is down there. It has a sound blanket. Suction line is nice and cold. It's not sweaty though. Liquid line's pretty warm, outdoor temperature, basically. Say 2021 2-ton. Okay, here's the thermostat. This is a Honeywell T4 Pro. All right, here's the unit not running. See, it's kind of dirty in there. Still can't. Here's a good look at the compressor blanket. It's got the 3 helicopter blades. One's still cold. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day.